I'm Charles Norsworthy. I'm instructor of Engineering Systems Technology here at Dyersburg State. In this program, we offer pneumatics, hydraulics, basic AC, DC, mechanical training, electric motor control, and then we have the programmable logic controllers. And the students do online work, and then they have hands-on skills that goes along with the online work. And it prepares them for jobs in electrical and mechanical maintenance fields, electromechanical technicians. We also have robotics and CAD courses.
So here in the Engineering Systems Technology program, not only do we have the opportunity to go and meet the employer and be in a co-op program where we get to work 3 days a week, but we also get the opportunity to compete against other students in other colleges at both the state and the national level. And like you can see here, I brought home the bronze medal in industrial motor control.
The Engineering Systems Technology program also provides co-op positions with local manufacturers where students can work 3 days a week and go to school 2 days a week. This builds good job skills, it's good on-the-job training, and it relates to the training in here, and the students get a better understanding of all of it.